So today I'm gonna quickly show you how to create an automated system for your LinkedIn posting using LinkedIn, and Cloud. So this automation will get your favorite blogger or blog, write a LinkedIn post about it as if it was you, and then post it on LinkedIn automatically. And the best part about this automation is that we can train it on your style of writing. That's how it's gonna look when it's done. Okay, let's start with it. So first you're gonna start by adding an RSS feed. Then you're gonna go to fetch.rss.com. You're gonna go to generate one. I found a blog by Rachel Laced. You just go to the author. Then you're gonna copy the URL. Go here, remove everything that's not necessary. Get RSS. Then you're gonna copy this link, go to make.com again, paste the link again. Let's just test it. Let's check when the last one. It was 4th of September. Let's run it and see what we're gonna get. Okay, so we have a result. We pretty much just need the URL. Okay, so it's correct. Then you go back to mail.com, and for this one we're gonna use Cloud just because it gives better responses. You're gonna add your Cloud account here. Max token we're gonna leave empty. Actually, we can't leave it empty, so let's say 1000. And then we're gonna add a message. User. Actually, we're gonna use the assistant. And then, so I got the prompt, I'm gonna just paste it here. Then we're gonna add another message. And this time it's going to be from user. The content is going to be text, and the text is going to be here is the link to the blog post. And then we're gonna find the link from the previous step, and we're just gonna paste it here. Okay, let's see if it works. I need to choose the date again. This one. Okay, let's run it. Okay, let's check it. Okay, now we have pretty much a LinkedIn post that's ready to post with the right link at the end. So a bit more about the prompt. Pretty much it's going to ask Cloud to analyze your style of writing. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is examples of writing style of a person. And then it's going to pretty much ask it to write hashtags, also add the link at the end. I'm gonna include the whole prompt. So next we're going to add it to Google Sheets. This step is not mandatory, but it's good to have it. Add a row. I already added my account. Then I'm gonna add the sheet. Okay, this one. Sheet name is 1. Then we just want to add the value. Actually, I'm gonna add it here. Let's say this one is going to be original link, and then a LinkedIn post. And now I want to find the URL. Which is here. And then we're going to add the output from Cloud, which is here. Okay, so let's test it. And we have the final post. And then finally, if you want, you can also just connect your LinkedIn here and post it directly.